Tarun has to make a pattern of squares and rectangles as given here. He has to cut these shapes from sheets of different color. The shapes are of different dimensions. The dimensions of each one is given. There are 4 rectangles of dimensions 16 cm by 4 cm, 8 cm by 4 cm, and 15 cm by 4 cm, and 5 cm by 3 cm. There are 2 squares of side 5 cm each. To cut these shapes of exact measurements, we have to draw each of these so they are exact measures. Can we do this by drawing the sides with our hands just using a pencil or marker? Do you think the measures will be exactly as needed? To get the exact measures, we need to use tools which will help us to get the shapes correctly. The tools in our geometry box will help to draw these shapes accurately. To cut a rectangle of 15 cm by 4 cm, Tarun should mark it on the cardboard. He can use the ruler from the geometry box. This will give the accurate outline of the shape with actual measures. Similarly, he can draw the required shapes of given measures and cut all the shapes. Using the tools from the geometry box, we can draw lines and angles. The angles of given measure. Drawing different geometrical shapes using the tools such as ruler, compass, protractor, set square or divider is called a construction. The branch of mathematics which deals with constructing geometrical shapes using tools is called practical geometry. In this chapter, let us construct lines, circles, and angles of given measure using the geometric tools. Let us conclude. Practical geometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the construction of geometrical shapes such as lines, angles, triangles, and quadrilaterals. The constructions are done using the various tools in the geometry box.